Nokotta, 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 Nokotta. Oh!
Hi, my name's katmcdowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! This is one of my absolute favorites. It's the Origami Sumo. You can play this with your friends, and I also fold this a lot on Twitch, live on air. It is so much fun playing this with all of you guys. So, we're gonna start with the simple fold. Fold into a rectangle. And repeat. Then we're gonna flip it over. Bring the sides to the center. And you're going to end up with a kite shape at the end of it. Flip it over again, and we're going to open the doors. So right here, you're going to eyeball and fold just above where that waistline is. You just watch me carefully and see where I fold. Right there. Then we're gonna flip it over and fold the tail down. Flip it back, and you've got the last fold Well, second to last. You're gonna fold it like a book, or close it like a book. That's it. And then we're gonna pull that tail out. So once you've made all of those creases firm, just pinch that tail and pull it out a little bit and then pinch it right down. And you are done! So, this is how you can play it. This is an example from my Twitch stream. Okay, here we go.
Nokotta, 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 Nokotta. Oh!
Ah, Scribbler lost! Hitomi, congratulations. I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!